easy. Pop. To close the door, excuse me. If you want to get struck, I'm not. Now it's in like, now in the 5 boroughs of the city now.
No, Daddy should have told you.
I didn't know he was in the shower.
I thought you knew he was in. The lightning is, but you know what? In West Orange, it's kind of cloudy. And driving over here, I drive past like Montclair Golf Club, was like driving into the middle of the night. It was wild.
Nice.
And I thought the storm passed over because I was looking, because I was at my friend's house. Because I was looking to the city and I saw it was wet and I thought it passed. I'm looking video. Don't get into my videos. Just do an audio swap later. I'm gonna record the video somewhere else, okay? Can I close this? No, I'm not gonna close. I'm afraid I'm gonna snap the strings.
Alright, I'll close it.
I'm just afraid of strings. I'll keep my camera right here recording.
A-Rod struck out.
It's okay. Just having fun at the party when Dad had to ruin it.
I saw the video on
Was it fun?
YouTube. Pat.
Was the party fun?
Yes.
Good.
Too bad Dad had to ruin
I
it.
know, but we weren't sure if you know, it was a bad storm, if we could even get down there.
If Route 23 wasn't like a major road, I would walk home. It's like a
Where
mile.
was it?
Montclair!
No, like where, Montclair?
Montclair.
The
Patrick,
street.
stop.
Stop! I know. The street above Grandma Fleming's house.
Oh. See, was that so hard to say?
No.
Good thing I didn't go to the pool.
They probably cleared the water and they're probably going to be closed for the night, you know.
I would hope so.
It was a big storm.
Yeah, but I don't want my house to blow down.
I know, but the other places.
You want other places to blow down? Maybe.
Maybe. It's actually raining a little.
Is it? A lot of times it gets dark, and then once it starts to blow over, then the rain comes. You know, when it starts to get lighter again.